What's the meaning of alien? Alien. 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 Alien.
The term alien typically refers to something that is foreign or unfamiliar, often in the context of extraterrestrial life or beings from another planet. It can also refer to someone who is not a citizen or national of a particular country. The concept of aliens has been popularized in science fiction literature and movies, where fictional creatures from other worlds are portrayed as having unique physical and cultural characteristics. The idea of aliens has captivated human imagination for centuries, and continues to inspire scientific research into the possibility of life beyond our planet.